What is happening today, guys? Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. We've got another beautiful day here on the west coast of Canada. Look at this. Look at this. Today we have the rest of Jay's install to do on his 435i. I believe he had the Hex Tune software returned to him. So install time, buddy. So little recap on yesterday. They give you some real simple install steps to follow. It's all on their website. First of all, you need Windows software, which is what we have on his Mac. So if you're confused that we're using a Mac, he has Windows 10 installed on there. So yesterday we extracted the files from his ECU, sent them via email to Hex Tuning at VF Engineering. They sent them back this morning, and now it's just as simple as plug and install, as far as I know.
Oh. So far so good. You'd almost think, you know, we run a tech company or something.
We literally did this in like, what, 10 minutes yesterday?
Yeah.
Pulling the files. And apparently that doesn't go as smoothly for everybody. And it makes sense. If you're not super, I guess, comfortable on a computer or whatever, this is very straightforward. There are as clear as day, step by step by step by step by step. But if it becomes a little overwhelming, you could end up in the 15 or 20 minute mark because you might need to make a phone call to VF Engineering for a little assistance, which they are more than happy to give you. So don't be ashamed. It's all good. Not everybody's as brilliant as Jay behind a computer. I'm definitely not. That's why he works with me and I don't do what he does. All right, let's see those instructions that they sent. Look at that. Doesn't get any simpler. I love that they have this because this is for people like me.
Because apparently they have like this burble tune on this.
Oh, so it's gonna change the sound.
Apparently.
Oh, snap!
We'll see.
Just Justin.
Yeah.
By the way, Jay and Justin are brothers. Fun fact. All right, so all installed, tune's good to go. Unfortunately, I gotta run. We've got the continuation of the HURACAN being wrapped down at Graphic Effects. I don't know why my hand's moving around like this, but some major parts on the car to wrap, and we're gonna go watch that, and then we'll come back out and go for a test drive with Jay. Let's go to Graphic Effects. Hey guys, so here we are, back at Graphic Effects. This is day 2. Let's go see what the guys are starting on. I think they were gonna start doing possibly the door jams, which I know will make a lot of you happy. Let's go check it out. Knock, knock. Oh, damn. Damn. Holy sh**. Good, how are you doing? Did I catch you guys at a bad time? That is one seriously big piece of vinyl. The entire side of the car in one sheet. I have no idea. Get a good view of all the stuff in the back here. See the supercharger? Wow, you can really see down in the sides there. Oh look, they got the front bumper and the rear bumper all done. That is crazy to watch. You want me to do this one? The hood was easy. These guys, they're no, don't leave. I would so f that up. That looks so hard, man. Like hard on a whole new level of hard.
Oh, we're good.
Holy sh**.
Just hold it like that.
Ignore me that I'm even here. I'm just gonna look at the bumpers. I won't. Wow. That's so sick. Damn. Lambo back in there. Looks so good. By the way, they did say they were gonna have some extra wrap material that they don't take the backing off of. So I'll get some of it for you guys and we'll give it away.
We're watching you.
Hey, thanks for staying late. Jay said you guys don't normally stay this late. I said it's because the camera's still sitting there.
So he's gonna film everything.
Yeah. Oh, door jams. The door jams. Come on, guys. How happy does that make you? Throw a thumbs up for the guys at Graphic Effects. What a difference that makes, right? Wow. That is so cool. I am so psyched. Was that hard to do? Yeah. Yeah. It's looking good. Looks awesome. Look at that. DDE. Fired up. What do you guys think? Turned out pretty good or what? Looks amazing. Let's cut to a really sick slow-mo group of scenes. You know what I mean. With some music. Cut there. So what is this?
It's a product called Knifeless Tape.
Knifeless tape?
Yeah.
Knifeless.
It's basically a line of Kevlar wrapped in plastic, and it will cut through pretty much anything, including your fingers if you're not careful.
For real?
And you just give it one confident tug, and it can go through multiple layers.
Kevlar. Holy. There you have it, folks. That's how the pros do it. Knifeless tape?
Knifeless tape.
Knifeless tape. How many hours have you been working on the car today to get to this stage?
Today, a full 8-hour day.
A full 8 hours. So
I did the bumper this morning, the door
rear
jam, and now we've got
the side. I want people to appreciate how much work goes into wrapping a car. So when the next time you want your car wrapped and you walk in, you're not going to start demanding like some ridiculous price. You can, and not just because you want to, save some money, but because you actually value the guys' time that are working on this. Once again, thanks for having me in your workshop.
Thanks for coming.
I appreciate it. Tomorrow, what's the plan?
Finish up. Door jam on the other side.
Okay.
Other side wrapped. Hopefully, the car will be done, and then you can start reassembly.
Awesome. We're gonna go test drive Jay's car. We just tuned my buddy's car, 4 Series BMW. It's gonna make it go really fast, so let's go see what that's all about.
I can't keep myself from feeling restless. Amphetamines might help, 'cause every day it's like I'm to the next thing, the next commotion. I'm so damn whimsical, no devotion. I'm to the next swing of my emotion. I'm so damn whimsical, no devotion.
Listen, I've met up with Jay. He's heading home. It's his girl's birthday. So we got to make this quick, but the tune's all installed. I got myself a Starbucks. Need some energy. Well, first of all, legit, does it have some difference in sound?
Yeah, so in sport mode, it like crackles when I like rev it.
Do you like
which
that?
I didn't have before.
He had a piggyback system before. So we were comparing a piggyback versus a legit, proper software tune.
So the tune.
Smash that gas. Smash the gas. Just smash
But
it.
there's like people.
Oh, they're. What are they doing? That's not a crosswalk, people. Jeez. Holy
Yeah,
crap.
it's a lot. It feels like it's a lot torquier. Because before I had a JB4,
Right?
there would be like dead spots whenever I'm driving.
Okay.
And whenever I'm switching modes too. Whereas this,
Yeah.
I feel like they've adjusted the air fuel and all that stuff, so it's like legit. Ready?
Hammer it. Oh, keep going. Stay in it. Stay. Holy. Well, if you can tell by the grass, we're moving. Wow, we got to this corner quick, didn't we?
Yeah.
What do you think? This, fun. This car's fun, man. I miss a manual. I'm envious of that right there. That shifter and that third pedal down there. Damn, bro. Damn. So just hammer it.
Ready?
Go. Yep. Whoa! Well, maybe I can talk somebody into giving us a free set of tires for your car, and then we can go really test it out.
Jesus.
Have you ever done donuts in this?
No.
What do you mean no?
Dude, I don't even. No.
God, we gotta do donuts in this thing. This thing is like a drift machine. Like sport mode and all that?
Yeah. So and then you just like.
It didn't do that before?
No.
What? Do it again. Shut up. Dude, that is
sick.
so sick.
Yeah, I didn't do that before. Tune just for that, I'd get it.
Everybody give his girl happy birthday. So Jay's wifey, happy birthday in the comments. Okay, bro, I'm out. I gotta go take care of my fam. Well, give me one more rev.
What?
Rev it. Look at you. Look at the smile. Look at the smile.
It's awesome.
We'll get him to rip up this hill. I want to hear it under load. Okay guys, that's it. I gotta jump back in the Range Rover, get my butt back home. Oh. My kiddo has gymnastics tonight, Presley. So time to head home, take Presley and wifey out for a quick bite to eat, off to gymnastics. Again, if you want to support the DD channel and the brand, jump over to shopdde.com. Pick yourself up some merch. We got tons of new stuff coming. We just put keychains and lanyards back on the shop, and you can use those as an add-on if you want to buy a shirt. Plus you can get one of those. We just put on dad hats, and within the next 24 to 48 hours, the tricolor ball cap will be back, the snapback. So I'm super stoked. Thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow will be the final day for us of the Huracan wrap. Then the reveal shortly after that. I'm pretty sure my brand new wheels are gonna show up in the next day, I'm hoping. And we leave tomorrow night for a fun adventure vlog, off to drive a multi-million-dollar hypercar, you guys. I'm so psyched. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I'll probably give you a hint tomorrow though. Thanks for watching. My name's Damon Fryer, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.